What's going on, you degenerate gamblers? Today we're gonna go over Jasmy Coin, which is down 4.2% at 1.3. Man, this thing did not play out as we expected, but nonetheless, we are still holding strong, diamond handing. We did buy majority of our Jasmy bag around that 2 cents area. We have been DCAing on the way down. I do have strong conviction this coin's going to recover and still go very, very, very high. So the market cap is 666,466, which is kind of weird if you believe in angelic numbers. um and then you have the all-time high 4 years ago, 479, all-time low 2 years ago at 002. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, everybody, let's get into Jasmy right here. We're looking at the Coinbase chart, which the all-time high on the Coinbase chart is 37 cents, which I think will easily smash this bull run. High to the low right now. Yes, we did break below that 382. On the lifelong fib on the Coinbase, the next support is down here at 009. Is it possible that we touch 1 cent? It's hard to say, man. We could get one, catastrophic event in the political news and it just sends us down there, but nonetheless we are still sitting at a solid support. What I mean by that is, if I draw a horizontal support line, you can see going all the way back to 2022, that was a heavy resistance, and then going back to beginning of 2022, that was a heavy support, which we're currently testing right now. Indicators on the day chart are looking pretty good. Everything but the stock RSI is looking good. We do have an engulfing candle here on the MACD, which means the bullish momentum is still continuing with the RSI heading up, putting in a higher high. And overall, the RSI, in my personal opinion, I don't want to say that. I was gonna say the overall, the RSI, in my personal opinion, looks like it's about ready to head out. But we have not put in a higher high yet. That's what we currently want to look for on the RSI, is a higher high. This is the lowest we went on the RSI since all the way back here of June of 2023, guys. Multi-year low. And that's ultimate fear for the Jasmy holders, for the people who have just been DCAing for multiple years. When they see a capitulation like this, they're like, oh my gosh, has all these years of DCAing just gone down the drain? And that's how the big whales, the big players get you right there. Just the sideways consolidation, they have the capitulation, and they know all the shrimpies and dolphins and stuff that accumulated right here, or to be like, I'm losing money. I've been accumulating for so many years and now it's down. Um, I've been in the crypto market for a while, not saying it's going to play out just like this, but this is a game. This is a game. Just buy, hold, touch grass. Buy, hold, touch grass. That's pretty much it. Stop looking at the charts. But for Jasmy right now, all the indicators are looking good, but the stock RSI does look like we're about ready to cross over here. Blue over blue below orange is bearish, which might confirm that capitulation a little bit lower, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Really not looking for any more dips on Jasmy, preferably. I do like the consolidation that we've had since March 10th right here, that nasty drop where it pretty much dropped to 1 cent already, right at 1.1. I did pick some up at about 1.2, but that's all I'm going to pick up now. Like, I'm severely out of dry powder. My portfolio is now fully in swing, so we are fully into the market now, guys. But in the short term, such as the 4 hour, we are currently bearish right now. The last 8 hours we've been bearish, but it doesn't look like it's a massive bearish movement. We don't have that large of an engulfing candle right here. If we look at the RSI, similar situation. The RSI is starting to see a retracement. I've talked about this in crypto several times, how M's are bearish and W's are bullish, right? We have the big W right here. So we're just to let this play out a little bit. Could we see a retracement on Jasmy a little bit more? Yeah, but I'm really not looking towards the next month to 3 months to cashing out. The end of this year, that's when we're going to start. That's when the top of the bull run is going to be. And if you've been a part of crypto any period of time, you've seen those charts about how alt season's already started, and the uptrend support area since March 10th of 2025 is currently holding right now. So what we're going to be looking for is possible bounce off this 1.3 area, then a quick move up to that 382 at about hopefully 1.7 cents. Once we get it back above that 1.7 cents, which was our multi-year support area, that's when we're going to start seeing some very bullish momentum to the upside. But until we get over that, we're really not that bullish. So let's just keep an eye on that general support area for Jasmy. As of now, I'm just DCAing in, buy, hold, and let's see what the end of the year plays out. If we draw the short term fib area here from the high of 2024 down to the low of 2024, we did bounce off that support about 2.1, with the next resistance area being about that 2 cents area. So overall, I'm perfectly comfortable holding Jasmy through this trench. And then I do think Jasmy is easily going to be working its way up to about 25 to 35 cents this bull run. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.